How to fix slow keyboard typing after iOS 16 update. Any iPhone. Don't worry, here are some simple fixes you can try. First, restart your iPhone. A quick restart can clear temporary system issues that may be affecting keyboard performance. If the keyboard is still slow, go to the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General, then select Keyboard. Here, you can turn off features you don't need, such as predictive text or autocorrection, and then test the keyboard again. You can also check your iPhone storage. Go back to Settings, tap on General, and select iPhone storage. If your storage is almost full, deleting unnecessary apps, photos, or videos can help free up space. Another thing you can try is resetting the keyboard dictionary. Go back to General, scroll down, and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then select Reset, followed by Reset Keyboard Dictionary. Confirm the reset when prompted. Don't worry, this won't delete your photos, apps, or other personal data. It only removes custom words and keyboard shortcuts you've added. Finally, check for a software update by going to Settings, tap on General, and Software Update. If an update is available, install it and check whether the keyboard performance improves. And that's it. These steps can help fix slow, slowed, or laggy keyboard typing after an iOS 16 update on your iPhone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out more iPhone tips and tutorials.